Okay, so a row to a negative fly has two versions that I like. The first one is the hold, out strong and slow, down slow, keeping the arms straight, shoulders back and down. The important part here is that your frame stays strong the entire time and doesn't give in. If it's too hard, move back a little bit. If it's too easy, come underneath. The second one is a flow. It's a little bit easier. Up and out, but still keep the same position. Down, up and out, strong, down. They're both great versions. I'll typically use the harder one, which is the hold and out slow first. When I do a few of those and I get tired, then I'll use the flow one, which really allows you to come up and get out and go down slow from there. Enjoy. Okay, the idea with these is to keep as much tension on the straps that you can and use your body to help that. Lock in, shoulders back, arms tight. As you step, absorb. I'm pulling on the straps hard. Let the body push forward, pull the arms apart. Now pushing against my body to come back. I'm using my leg to absorb some of the weight and using my abs, core, chest, those muscles to pull back. On the second version, I'm hovering to make it more intense. Little toe tap for balance and support, and then drive, squeeze together. The idea is you can use your body to make it harder or easier, whatever you need. Enjoy them and good luck.